If you want to invest in gold without worrying about it getting stolen, or you want to sell it faster, or you have less capital, then this video is a must watch for you. So hello and welcome to this TrustWealthy channel. In this channel, today's video, you will understand how you can invest in gold without having to worry about any of the aspects of dealing with the physical gold, including theft, burglary, and making charges and all those different issues which comes when dealing with physical gold. You will learn how you can avoid all of that and yet be able to invest in the gold. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel so far, please do subscribe and stay till the end of this video, and you will completely understand how you can invest in gold in the manner I have told you, right? So let me quickly tell you what is that process which you can use to invest in gold and yet stay away from all the issues which I mentioned. So if you have gone through my previous videos, the link has been given here, also in the description box, where I spoke about Nifty Bs and other ETFs which one can have in their portfolio for an easy and a passive manner to increase wealth. It is on the similar lines. So today I am going to talk about one ETF which is related to gold and that tracks market price of gold. So let me quickly share my screen and I tell you what is that and how you can invest into it. So right in front of me, this is a broker called Fires. You can have any broker of your choice and you can purchase gold using any of the brokers that you are having. So just type Gold Bees, GOLDBEES. It is an ETF by Nippon India Fund, and once you type this, you will see these options. Just open this NSE because NSE has the highest volume compared to the BSE. And when you open this, you will see a chart coming up like this. This is a chart of Gold Bees. Anyways, I'm not going to tell you the chart aspects in this video. I've already covered a video where I have given you techniques on how you can time your entries, right? So if you have not watched it, again the description is the link is given in the description box as well as here, so you can click that and find out what is the one very simple way to find out what is the ideal time to invest, okay, without any speculation. It will give you clear-cut signal when you should invest and when you should simply wait. So let's remove the charts from here. All right, so this is the Gold Bees, and let's see its chart for 12 months. Right, so this is a yearly chart of Gold Bees, and as you can see, this is on a continuous roll from March 2007. So 1st March 2007, this was launched at a price of 9.47 rupees, and now the price is 48.89 rupees of this ETF. All right, the beauty of this ETF is it tracks the market prices of gold internationally. So whatever is the international price of gold prevailing at that time, that same price will be reflected in the Gold Bees, right? And just like you buy any shares, the same way you can buy this Gold Bees as well. Again, please treat this video as an education video. It is not a financial advice. Please contact your registered financial advisor for that. But just this is an educational video which you can refer for your own investment learning. So this Gold Bees, simply you have to just buy just like you buy any other equities, any other shares. Right click, buy, and it will come to your account, demat account. Within one day it will come to your demat account, whatever quantity you can buy. So here you can see you can even buy 48.9 rupees worth of gold, which is not possible if you go and try to buy gold in a shop, because minimum they want to sell you is 1 gram, right, which comes about to some 1000 rupees, 5000, 6000, something like that. Here you can buy even 48.9 rupees of gold as well. right? Just 1 unit of this ETF. So it is very effective for those people who have less capital. Secondly, because it comes to your demat account, it is safe, right? And just like you can sell any equity in just one click, here also you can sell your gold in just one click. You don't have to visit any shop, right? And because it is in demat, there is no risk of getting it stolen. Nobody knows how much gold you have, right? Because it is all in your demat, unless you talk about it to someone else. That's your choice. Okay, there are no making charges, nothing like that. So this is a very safe alternative for keeping your money in gold, if you are interested in it. And one beauty of gold is, which I want to tell you, is when the stock market falls, gold prices go up. So there is a inverse relationship between the stock prices and the gold prices. So whenever you see gold prices, like the stocks are coming down, stock market is crashing, you will see gold prices will start increasing, and likewise vice versa. So it will also act as a very good hedge to protect your portfolio in case of any sharp drawdown. What I mean is, if there is a big fall in the market, this gold will protect that loss to an extent, because it has a inverse relationship. So this is how you can simply buy gold through Gold Bees ETF. And there are various other ETFs as well, but this Gold Bees from Nippon India is having the maximum liquidity, and that ensures that you will be able to sell it as early as possible. Okay, if you have big quantity. For small quantities, there is nothing to worry. Alright, so this is what I wanted to cover in this video, like how you can invest in gold in simple ways without having to worry about carrying a physical gold with you. But yes, if you are a fan of physical gold, of course you should buy it. It's not that physical gold is not good. It's just that if you're treating in gold just as an investment opportunity, this can be a good option for you. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful to you, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share it with your friends. So thanks for watching. This is Harshit Mohan from Team TrustWealthy, and wait for the next video which I will be launching very soon.